Hey guys, it's Lily, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to walk you through how to download apps on a laptop. So if you tried to download and install your favorite apps from the Google Play Store, you simply can't do that. You have to go to the Microsoft Store to do that. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can download your favorite apps to your PC or laptop without any emulators or additional software. So keep watching and let's get started right away. So exit out of your browser and go to your home screen. Move your cursor to the Windows icon on the very bottom left corner and click on it. And then you can see over here a tile for the Microsoft Store, so if you don't have this over here, search for the Microsoft Store and open that. This is where you can download apps to your PC or laptop. This is the same as the Google Play Store, but this is for your Windows devices. This has a huge collection of apps and games that you can download to your PC or laptop. For example, you can go to Apps, Gaming, Movies and TV. Also, you can tap on this search bar over here, and you can search for the specific app you like. For example, I am going to search for Pinterest. And then you can click on the skip button to download it. So this is how you can download any app you want onto your PC or laptop. It's pretty straightforward. I hope this was useful to you guys. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy tutorials like this one. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please let me know in the comments section below. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.